To customize lock screen on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first we need to open settings. Here in settings we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then you can go to the personalize option. Over here in personalize we should be able to find the lock screen option. And now here we should be able to, let's say, tap on the content of the lock screen to then be able to choose the face of the clock. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different clock styles that we can choose from. We can also switch to different fonts. So here we have the font selection. And we can also choose the color that we wish to set. You can also pick this color wheel in order to choose your own color. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this one, but make it slightly darker. There we go, something like that. And besides that, here we have the option to add a couple of widgets. So as you can see, we can add the temperature. Let me actually tap again. There we go, we have a couple of options. We can also add the D&D mode, and there are a couple of other stuff in here as well, like for example the device, additional devices connected or something. There we go. It's pretty cool that we can add widgets. Now here at the bottom we also have shortcuts, so you can add different shortcuts to the left and the right corner, but at the bottom of course, if you wish to have quicker access to something. And we can also customize the notification style, so we have bubble, chip, and list. And that's about it. Unfortunately, we cannot really change the position of the clock or widgets. They are always pretty much in the same place. So that's all. Of course, remember to use this check in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. You might be asked to add city for the weather app. If you want to, you can of course add it. If not, just tap on later. That's about it. Leave a like and subscribe.